Yo, what's good people, it's Cactus. I'm here at Orange Lounge Studio in Toronto. I've travelled over here from the UK. I'm linking up with my guy Yvng Finxssa. He's travelling from Montreal, which is like 5 or 6 hours away from here. So I thought whilst I'm over, we had to link up. I don't know what the plan is yet. I think we'll most likely make some drill beats. I'm just waiting for him to pull up and then yeah, we'll get started. So let's get into it. Yo, what's good my bro?
Good, you?
Good to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you too.
That's what we're thinking then, like full orchestral, strings, pianos,
Yeah.
pop smoke type of stuff.
Yes, sir.
See what we can do. It's all about finding that right progression in it.
For real.
As soon as you get that piano bass in, it just sounds hella dark in it. Have you used this analog lab?
Nah.
It's obviously like synthy sounds, but when you mix them with like real violins, it sounds crazy.
I don't really have much plugins to be honest.
Yeah. I feel like I'm a plug-in junkie. I try and buy everything. But then sometimes you can have like too many sounds to work with, you know what I mean? Trying to think what to add next. Can you hear anything on it?
Some like high piano keys.
High piano keys, yeah?
Yeah.
Maybe some kind of like repetitive,
Yeah, exactly.
you know, like that kind of vibe. Try to spice it up though.
I bet.
I feel like we need vocals in these type of beats.
For sure, for sure.
I had vocals to like every beat, but just works every time for these, doesn't it?
Yeah. Do you use Arcade?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, fuck with Arcade, definitely.
For orchestral type beats, I like to use what's it called? I think it's called Distant Voices.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that
Yeah,
one's
we can try that. Try one of these can be kind of fire.
I think that one.
This one.
That's so crazy.
Yeah, that feels nice. Might sound busy with everything, but once we arrange it, we can
That's
maybe
enough.
like bring the vocals in when the violins come out or something.
Yeah.
That could sound sick. Do we need anything else?
Sounds pretty full to me. Maybe a bass.
Oh, like sub bass.
Sub bass.
Yeah. That's enough now, probably, innit? If
Yeah.
anything, I'd maybe add like, I don't know, a few little textures or something, but for the sake of this, I think we could move on to some drums. What do you think?
Yeah, for sure.
Do you want to take the lead?
I bet. You have that NY Drill 808 on here?
Yeah, that's in if you go to volume 4, that go to New York one.
Yeah, this is crazy.
Thinking I like that second 808 pattern. Was there anything else you want to add?
I think that's it though.
Yeah, definitely enough.
Yeah.
Try to go a bit wild with the 808.
Bet.
Make it sing. Crazy, right? Like, I think when it gets to the verse, I'll drop like those main strings and just have like the vocal and the piano. I think that'll sound crazy.
It's gonna go crazy. I think in the chorus I'm gonna chop up. I'm gonna do what I usually do. I'm gonna chop up like the melody and add cuts and all that stuff.
Yeah, that'd be sick. So that's like a start, but did you want to chop something up? Yeah? As well.
For real. Very bouncy.
Yeah. Alright, so we finished cooking up the first beat. I think that one came out crazy. Right now we're gonna work on something more melodic. The loops from my guy Bassi, so shout out to Bassi every time. And yeah, let's get into it. How long have you actually been producing?
Started in 2018.
Oh, so not even that long ago?
Yeah, it's not too long ago, but
you got good real quick then, did you? Was that from just like spending hours just cooking up every day.
Yeah. Just lock myself in my room and just keep
like
making
Kanye
beats.
West style.
Yeah, exactly.
But people can get good quick these days.
For real. And I like how music is so easy to create now.
Yeah.
Yeah, instead of like doing all that hardware stuff. And
Oh, of course, man. This one's gonna be a crazy one too, man.
yeah, for
Dance
real.
is sick. I don't think it needs much else, you know?
Nah.
Could be almost there.
Yeah.
You thinking anything else?
Nothing.
Yeah?
Yeah,
So do a quick arrangement then.
Yeah, let's get it. On it fire.
Yeah, this one's hard as well. It's almost there. Alright, I think it's pretty much ready.
Yeah, this is fire.